Hello, fellow teachers. As educators, we are no strangers to the trusty whiteboard in our classrooms. The ease and flexibility of jotting down ideas, solving problems, and illustrating concepts make it an indispensable tool. But what if I told you that you can take the comfort of your traditional whiteboard to a whole new level? Here I have a digital canvas for your online teaching experience. As a teacher, we appreciate the comfort of using teaching tools and physical whiteboard in Classic. Microsoft Whiteboard aims to preserve that comfort while introducing new possibilities. It's like bringing the traditional whiteboard experience into the digital age, providing with a dynamic and interactive platform for teaching and collaboration. Let me show you how we can get started with Microsoft Whiteboard. If you go to Store in Microsoft Store, you can look for Whiteboard. The link which you will see here, Microsoft Whiteboard. You can also search it online. I have provided the link of that also in the description. So you can start Whiteboard online also, set up your Hotmail account, and with the help of Hotmail account, you can start using the Whiteboard app here. So this is one of the ways. Otherwise, you can download here and download the app, Android or iOS, or you can use it on Windows. I have downloaded the app here. So you can just click on the download and you can get started with it. I'll just click on open. As a teacher, you have that experience of using the traditional whiteboard. If I start with the blank canvas, so you can use the same traditional concept of your whiteboard. For example, I can write anything. All right, so this is whiteboard. If you are comfortable with using a white screen, otherwise you can go here into settings. So here on top right, you can see the settings icon, and on settings, you can click on format background and choose the background to black in case you are comfortable with. And here also you can change it back to the different colors. So good thing here is that I can select any text that I have typed with mouse and I can move it around. So this whiteboard becomes interactive now, and you can of course make any changes that you want. So I can just move to blackboard so that it gives less strain to eyes, and now I can start writing with different color pen. You can see here I can choose the color here, so you can write it down, for example. And here you can again choose the eraser to erase, and again you can choose multiple colors, and you can choose of course the thickness also here. For example, I'm comfortable here with 2, so I'll be choosing that thickness. And sorry about the handwriting, of course, it all depends on your practice. And if you keep practicing with the help of digital pen, it will improve. So now I'll show you some of the other features which you can use on Microsoft Whiteboard. All this text is of course converted into the objects, and you can move, drag and drop these objects, and whatever you don't want, you can just simply delete them by clicking and deleting this. Down here you can see these are various tools available. You can use the scale to draw the lines and to draw the angles. If with the help of mouse you can of course move this line, and here you can use sticky note. All right, so this way you can of course then add different stickers also here. For example, if you want to explain the concept, emojis and stickers, you can start typing with the text, move the text around. Of course, you can draw various shapes depending upon what you're teaching, so all these shapes can be added over here. And then if I talk about the templates, so we started with the blank canvas here. Click here and it will show you all the templates which are available. But I will start with a blank file and I'll just show you how we can get started. So I have clicked on home screen, and now I can click here and it will start the new whiteboard. Brainstorming, problem solving, design and research, it all depends on where you're using this whiteboard. If you're using at businesses, so you might go for the brainstorming or strategy sessions, doing any workshops, going for a learning. These are different templates which are available. Instead of using traditional whiteboard, you can go with this modern style of teaching and your presentations. I'll just go with the sort, noun, pronoun, and verb and adjectives and draw it here. Sort nouns, verbs, and adjectives. So this is from the learning template. You can start teaching and explain the concepts to the students. While teaching, you want to take any break, so you can just click on timer and the timer will automatically start. For example, if you have given any question, Then of course you can pause and stop the timer depending upon how you want to have it. In case you want to bring any image, so you can click here and get the image here. For example, if you want to bring in logo here, and similarly you can add different pictures, images, depending upon what you want to explain to your students. You can also add some documents also which are related, and click and go back to the home screen. All your concepts, all your notes are stored here. Now the good thing here is that in case you want to share this particular work, you can simply click here and export, and once you export, you can export it to PDF or image file. Otherwise there is a zip or HTML plus JSON export. This is for advanced users, so I'll be just clicking on PDF, and now without the whiteboard software, file can be used. So this was all about whiteboard. The concept is very simple. Play around with it. You can use OBS Studio. In next video I'll show you another online platform that you can use for whiteboard concept.